I have been teaching Arabic online and one-to-one for 4 years now, and I'm teaching all the levels in Arabic, and I'm using Palestinian dialect and colloquial, and I'm teaching the Levantine dialect.
And I'm in Irlanda. I've been learning Arabic in the Excellence Centre with Saja for nearly a year, 9 months or so. Saja is an amazing teacher. I've learned so much, and I've been doing lots of talking, practicing my vocabulary and learning some grammar as well, and I've really enjoyed it. So shukran Saja. I really wanted to learn Arabic because I've been to Palestine a few times and I'd love to go back again, and have lots of friends over there. But the lessons in the Excellence Centre have been absolutely amazing and I really recommend them.
I'm in New Orleans, Louisiana, بأمريكا. I have been tutoring with Saja for about 2 years now, and my main goal was to improve my conversational Arabic, which I have definitely seen some major improvement on, as well as my confidence. I would say Saja does a really good job at making her students comfortable and focusing on their individual needs. And so, yeah, I'm excited to see how much more I can improve from now.
Why you should learn Arabic language? You may travel to Arab countries and you will communicate with the locals and you will learn more about our cultures in Arabic. Yalla, join my classes.